As a kid, I was always drawing buildings. I had an interest in science and literature. I think architecture just combines all those things.
Architecture gives me an opportunity to reflect on how I see things through my perspective.
WSA genuinely provides a really solid foundation for industry and what you're going to be doing when you do graduate.
I think it really captivates the modern type of architecture in a very old building.
They are such flexible spaces. One day you can hold a lecture in them, and another day you can have an exhibition.
As the weeks progress, you're learning more skills and you're producing better quality of work.
The school has asked me to push myself to the boundaries and expand my horizons.
That freedom to express yourself within that really supportive framework, I think, is just an incredible experience.
Challenging yourself creates beautiful pieces.
I'm glad that I've been put through that in WSA.